If you have noticed water pooling around your air conditioner, you might be wondering what steps to take next. In this video, we will discuss the possible reasons why your air conditioner is leaking water and who you should call to fix the issue. There can be several reasons why your air conditioner is leaking water. Firstly, it could be due to clogged condensate drain line. Secondly, it could be due to a damaged or blocked condensate pump. Also, the evaporator coil might be frozen, leading to water leakage. Any of these issues can cause a water leak around your air conditioner. If you've determined that the air conditioner is leaking water, you should reach out to a licensed HVAC technician that can inspect the unit and locate the source of the leak. You can find a reputable technician by searching online or asking for recommendations from family and friends. Be sure to inquire about their experience working with air conditioner leaks and get a written estimate before tolerating any repair work. Once you've had the air conditioner leak fixed, there are a few things you can do to help prevent future leaks. Regular maintenance, such as checking the air filter and cleaning the condenser coils, can help keep your unit running efficiently and minimize the risk of leaks. It's important to keep your air conditioner clean and free from dust and debris. Also, ensure that the condensate drain line is clear by regularly flushing it with water. By taking these steps, you can protect your air conditioner and avoid future leaks. In summary, if your air conditioner is leaking water, it's important to reach out to a licensed HVAC technician before attempting to DIY the repair. By fixing the issue and implementing maintenance routines, you can prevent future leaks and keep your air conditioner running efficiently. Give us a call now